practices mo every day? Like, paano gargling mo, how many times a day, mouthwash, how long, yung mga ganun, to keep your teeth healthy?
Of course, I brush my teeth 3 times a day or more. As in every after meal, parate, sinasabi ko sa PA ko, gusto ko mag-toothbrush and everything. And then, after brushing my teeth, ever since talaga, tinuro sa akin ni Mama na nagma-mouthwash talaga parate. Kasi parang naging part na siya ng routine ko eh. After brushing my teeth, parang kulang pag walang mouthwash. And then for the mouthwash naman, usually, ginagamit ko siya 3 to 5 times a day. Kasi pag sa taping, parati akong kumakain. And before the scenes, especially pag malapitan yung scenes, gusto mo talaga na fresh breath ka naman and confident ka talaga. So, I use Aura Care also ng mga 3 to 5 times a day.
Alright, thank you. So I guess that's the last question for today.